Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You can tell we're going to be talking about the market update. Guys, if you are enjoying these updates, these market analysis videos that I bring you guys, smash that like button and hit that red subscribe button. It shows me that you guys are interested, and of course I will continue to bring out these updates. But without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. Looking at the market, today is Sunday. Of course, we're approaching Monday morning, but once again, a complete wipeout. So the gains that you did see on Saturday completely wiped out. And what were we talking about? If you watched my market analysis video just yesterday, I indicated that, hey, you guys, let's not get too excited, because of course right now a lot of people are talking about, market is up, we're making gains, some coins up 50-60%. And yes, guys, believe it or not, there were a lot of meme coins specifically talking about that, that were up quite a bit. And because those were the ones that got impacted quite substantially, because of course higher risk, higher reward. They don't really bring any sort of utility, but they do run based off of the hype factor, and they did tend to perform really good just the last 48 hours. But once again, you're finding the price of Bitcoin making its way back below $55,000 a few hours ago, which of course impacted the entire market. And obviously, as you guys know, the entire altcoin market is going to react. So we're finding the prices of a lot of these altcoins back to the July 5th lows. So if you were giving yourself a hard time when you saw Saturday being really good for the markets, and some people making some quick buck, well, guess what? The opportunity is there again if you have done your due diligence and research and are willing to invest what you can afford to lose with some of these coins that are down right now. But before we go into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So one thing, of course, you really need to realize right now is, again, we're on a weekend. On the weekends, what do we usually tend to see? More manipulation due to CME futures being closed. But you're looking across the market, a lot of red across the board right now. But what happened? Because if you watch my update yesterday, I was talking about, Germany government is buying back the Bitcoin. So they pretty much dumped on, a lot of people and ended up buying at a cheaper price. But that is a bullish news considered by a lot of people. So what exactly is causing the entire market to go down? I indicated to you guys before, and if you've been watching my channel for years and years, you guys know one thing I specified: no matter how much institutional money is coming into this space, the real people, the real whales are the OGs of the crypto industry. The early Bitcoiners that really control the price of Bitcoin, that manipulate, that bring in volatility. Those are the real key players. And if you really combine how much Bitcoin these massive whales are holding, it's huge amounts. And these guys love manipulating the markets, and that's what we see on a day-to-day basis. And I still do think we do see more choppiness before breaking towards all-time highs. And I do believe all-time highs will be reached this year, but again, that's my own personal opinion. But we're really replicating previous historical price patterns. But if you're looking at the fear and greed index, it's still in the fear zone. So obviously a lot of fear right now within the markets, and I think this will get updated. But tomorrow obviously is a weekday, so we'll see how Bitcoin reacts. Traditional market has been pumping like crazy. So of course, there was a time where we did see that correlation, a very strong positive correlation between the stock market, S&P, NASDAQ, whatever you want to compare it to, whichever indexes. We were seeing a positive correlation, but recently you're seeing a little bit of a switch happening. But again, we need to keep in mind, crypto is a riskier asset class. That's what it's considered as. But I think it's complete manipulation occurring. And of course, elections are coming, and I think that is also triggering, the traditional stock market to be doing quite well. But let's take a look at what's happening with BTC dominance. So Bitcoin dominance actually did not end up going higher. So again, if you're holding altcoins right now, thank the dominance index for not skyrocketing. because we saw the price of Bitcoin actually make its way down to $54,700. Of course, it hasn't retested the July 5th lows, but that chance is definitely there, because if that support, as I've said in my other videos, if that support is lost, we could make our way down to 52K. Most importantly, $50,000 could be a retest, and it's looking more likely than ever. I think there is a chance that we actually retest for that price point, see more liquidation, and shake out some of the weak hands before the prices of the entire market starts making way back towards all-time highs. So that's how I'm analyzing it right now. Obviously, the confirmation, again, very, very important. The confirmation that I have given to myself is that the $64,000 to $65,000 price point, if we're able to get back above that, actually hold above there, trade above that level for at least a few days, then we can start having the conversation, hey, we could be seeing all-time highs once again. But right now, that is not the conversation we want to be having. First thing that you really would like to see is the price of Bitcoin actually in the 23.6, which we got rejected literally yesterday. So that's how I'd be analyzing it. So if you are still on the sidelines, and if you are wondering if the price of Bitcoin and a lot of altcoins could fall lower, the answer is yes, in my opinion, based on what we're seeing right now. We saw the bullish announcement come out, but I saw whales completely shake out all these weak hands and all these longs that started piling up, and that's what we're seeing right now. So it's more likely that we do see a 52 to 50K Bitcoin retest before you see the market doing a turnaround. But do let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.